At this time, I'd like to call on Cassandra Wright from the Lily Pad to come forward. She has something to give us about the Lily Pad.
Good afternoon, everyone. How are you all doing today? I would like to thank you first and foremost for inviting me out today and having a great lunch. I really appreciate it. And I just wanted to share a little bit of information about what the Lily Pad is, what we do, and the services that we provide to the citizens of Albany and to the surrounding 32 counties here. You know, the Lily Pad is located here in downtown Albany, right across the street from Phoebe Hospital. We are the Rape Crisis Center for Dougherty County and for the surrounding 32 counties. We receive all victims of sexual assault and abuse and any children who have been either deprived or malnourished. They come to our center. As good of a service it is, it's a very heartbreaking service that we provide at the same time. We deal on an average year, we deal between 300 and 400 victims each year come through the doors of the Lily Pad. They come to our center to we're a very comprehensive, compassionate location that provides forensic medical exams where we capture DNA evidence for sexual assault for not only adult women but for children as well. If you ever come to our facility, you'll see that it is a very child-friendly environment because we do have kids who come into our facility for our Child Advocacy Center, and they come to us to receive forensic interviews. We interview them and see if they're going to disclose any information in regards to abuse, at which time they are brought to us by DFACS or law enforcement. Either they said something at school, a friend said something, or a teacher noticed something, and then they come to our facility to get that information founded, so to speak. When we say we do it for Dougherty County and surrounding 32 counties, we are busy all the time. We never charge any of our victims for services that they receive at the Lily Pad. They come in, we're 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, because you know assault doesn't happen Monday through Friday between 8 and 5. We have a director of nursing there, forensic nurse on staff, and we have about 5 contract nurses who handle that 365-day call volume. We see, like I said, we see all the children for the state of Georgia, for the Southwest region here. We have a satellite office located down in Bainbridge, Georgia, which is a Child Advocacy Center as well there, and they deal with all the assaults in that area for children. We are now opening that up to adults now. They now have a forensic nurse down there as well who will be doing the exams and things in that capacity. The Lily Pad has 5 agencies underneath our umbrella. So it's a Firefly House Child Advocacy Center, which deals with all children in sexual assault and abuse and neglect. And then we have the Boren Center that deals predominantly with adults. Then on top of then we have the system of care. So how that works is if any family comes into our center for assault or abuse, once they're done with that initial exam and things of that nature, they are passed over to our system of care. At which time that agency takes that family and we do all the resources for them. Whether they need help with lights or rent or therapy or doctors or follow-up, whatever they may need, we navigate them through all the resources throughout the state to assist that family. That is a vital thing that is needed. Then we also do a lot of going out to the community to tell people about what the Lily Pad is, what we do, and then we educate. We are Darkness to Light Stewards of Children training, which educates the community. It's a preventive method. We go to the schools, we talk to churches, we talk to anyone who will basically listen about some policies and procedures that you can put in place to protect children from sexual assault and abuse, and just some of the signs that you can look out for as well. We are a nonprofit agency, so 75% of our funding comes from government contracts and funding. So we work hard to keep the roof on. We work hard to be able to continue our services to the community. And we work hard to raise funds. We do a lot of fundraisers. We just are very immersed in the community. If any of you have a church or something that you would like us to come and speak to, please let us know. We will be more than willing to do that. because I think the key to bring that $400, excuse me, $400 number down is to put a lot of prevention into place. And to put that into place is simply by educating the community about sexual assault and abuse. And again, I appreciate you all for letting me come out to talk to you guys about everything. If you have any questions, feel free to come see me afterwards. I can give you my card and you can contact me directly if you have any additional questions. But in the meantime, I thank you very much.
Cassandra, thank you so much for bringing us up to date on what's going on at the Living Pad. You are one of our 32 entities that we help support, hopefully, with the donations that we give. And it gives me great pleasure at this time to present to you this token from us to you to help offset some of those expenses. I know with times the way they are now, government is starting to cut back on everything. I'm sure y'all seen some of those cutbacks. But if there's anything that we can do for y'all down at the Living Pad, please call us. Thank you for what you do and all the commitment that you give to these kids and these women that need it.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.